So Michelle, here we are, ready for lunch at our second chateau.
Woohoo!
What made you find this place? I mean, look at the views, it's absolutely stunning.
I found this place because I live down the road, about 10 minutes away. So yeah, I come along last year with some friends, and we come here and they had some food trucks, they had some marvellous wine that we could drink, and then we sat here and the view is absolutely gorgeous.
I was about to say, I mean, if you wanted to have a look, guys, at the Bergerac region and some of the absolutely stunning views, the beautiful vineyard down there, the forest behind us, the wonderful building in front of us, but you really will see. I'll tell you what, I'm really looking forward to this.
And today we're going to have some cheese, we're going to have some meat, some nice wine, and it's such a relaxing place here, very calm.
But you know, they've been so helpful, so kind. It's absolutely lovely, and wherever we go, everyone's kind to us. I don't know if it's the camera or it's just because our faces, you know.
Yeah, that's true. Wherever we go, we ring up and say, would you like us to come and film? And people are just so lovely.
Absolutely, and if you are coming to Bergerac, you have got to check these places out because they're absolutely fantastic. You cannot miss out.
And in a moment, we're going to try the delicious food, and then we can show you what they do.
And I can't wait.
Here's Petri, and he's shown us one of the wines that he has here. So we're going to try this, and it's 2023, this one. Let's see. We've got the doggy here today called Roxy.
So it looks like an English bulldog.
Yeah.
Hello, darling. Thank you.
And look at the colour. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
And what is this, Petri?
That is Dordogne blend with fig and nut. Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
So what we got here is figs and nut in cream cheese with some little bread.
Well, Michelle, cheers.
Yes. Cheers.
Oh, that's nice.
So I'm going to try the nuts and fig. That does smell lovely.
Charcuterie platter.
Oh, there we go.
Sorry.
And Pitcher's just brought on a beautiful
Oh, wow.
charcuterie.
So charcuterie with cheese on top is a tête de mort. 3 different styles of cheese added. Is a Mobiere with a knife on top of that. The one with the edible flour is brie. And then there's a combination of goat's cheese, apple, pistache and honey blended together. There's 2 different styles of saucisson, one rolled in Provence herbs and the other one with cheese or nut. Then we have some dry fruit on here and fresh fruit of the season.
Fantastic. Well, thank you very much.
So we're going to say bon appetit, and we're going to go through eating it, and we'll tell you exactly what we've got on the plate while we're eating. So Pitcher just said, here's different things they have here. And when they do the wine tasting, what's really good here is they involve the children. So you can make it a family event.
I mean, wine taste is really big here, isn't it, in France?
Yeah, it's huge.
I mean, how many of you actually been on since moving here?
I've only ever been on one. I'm actually 2 now, because
Yes,
we
we do.
the other chateau. And now we're on a 3rd one today. But yeah, I mean, the wine around here tastes so different, in different areas and what they produce. You know, I'm getting used to like what wine goes with what wine and what starter and what main course, because they are definitely fine dining here.
And it's weird to really give you the idea, this is absolutely lovely, lovely food. I mean, coming to France, if you want to really experience France, and I've said it on some of our videos, is you've got to forget the double arch gang, do you know what I mean? And you've got to come and really experience it. I mean, if you don't want to do this sort of food and the wine and things like that, there's always Basildon. Back in England.
What I like about it is I've been here for a while now. It's relaxing. Everybody just seems like a second family here. And you just go, it's all about eating and drinking in France, really. And the food is absolutely gorgeous. And the customer service is absolutely amazing in the restaurants and not expensive, Here today, charcuterie today, price platter for 2 guests is €15. Vegetarian platter, example, €15. Then the wine, Lestevenie Brut, is €11. And this is this. This is absolutely really dry. Colour's beautiful. Look at the bubbles. And it goes, amazing with the food. Don't you think?
Let's dig in.
Yum, yum. What I like about it, the mixture here is, you've got the cheeses, you've got the wine. Look at that little pretty, sort of like a little flower. Oh, the little flower's gone now. Little purple flower. It might be. Not sure. This is a fig, isn't it?
That's dried figs.
Dried figs, yeah.
It's dried figs and dried dates.
Dried dates. This is delicious. Do you do this?
Both Yaku and I are in the kitchen alternating,
really?
depending
Yeah.
who's available. Do the charcuterie platters, yes.
Oh, brilliant. It looks lovely. The presentation's lovely.
Thank you.
Yeah, very lovely, isn't it?
Very nice. Yummy as well. I like the different sausages. Not really nice.
This brute is gorgeous, I've said. It's like, yeah. How long does that take you to make?
So we do the first fermentation here on the property. So
Yep.
it's Cabernet Semillon with a bit of Muscadel, and the 2023 vintage has also Ugni Blanc blended with that. And then we send it away to a company that's outside Bordeaux that bottle it.
Yep.
And then it needs to rest in a cave for 9 months at 14 degrees. So the second fermentation happens in the bottle, and then afterwards it comes back to us, bottled, labeled, boxed, and ready to sell.
But
So
actually
probably
just-
a 12-month period. I would
Period
say,
to do it.
For us to, a bit more, 12 to 15 months to get it from a harvest, or we have the box back to sell.
Do you actually get it tested in Sigulus?
The labs,
Yeah.
yes, we use Sigulus. We're also using the lab Pinay. So there's different labs we
Oh,
are
is
using.
there? Yeah.
The one for EFFE that we also use, yeah.
Fantastic. It's very calm in here. And with the tree, I love the tree. So beautiful. The figs. So we've got some lovely figs here. I'm going to try this.
Well, I would try them with you, but I've already ate mine.
How did you select this? Did you sit together and think, let's put this together and try the cheeses and...
We take what is fresh, what is new, what is interesting.
Yeah.
Try to not just do the typical charcuterie.
Yeah, I
Like
noticed.
it not to be too heavy.
Yeah.
Like it to
Yeah.
be a bit more balanced with fresh fruit, dried fruits, some veggies. And I think people enjoy that. You know, getting up after a meal and not feeling, you know, it's been
Yeah.
too much cheese, too much meat. So yeah, that's kind of what we go with the balance.
That's when I noticed. I thought it's really colourful. And I thought, yeah, there's some bad stuff, but there's a lot of good stuff as well.
There's nothing bad. Not in my book. It's all brilliant.
Everything in moderation.
Absolutely.
Then everything is good.
How do you do this? Make sort of like,
Yeah,
got a
it's
special grater?
No, it's a round cheese that you place on a block, and it's got its own little knife.
Oh,
Turn,
okay.
And it creates this beautiful shrivel of cheese.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very pretty.
It's great. It's edible, and it's part of the garnish. So
No, very pretty. And this sausage, I've not had this one before. This sausage is lovely. Oh, look, I've got a love heart. How sweet's that?
that is sausage saw that has a coating of herbs from Provence. So again, just something different.
Yeah,
Mix it up a bit.
yeah. You get lovely different flavours, you know? Very creative.
It's amazing. So you've pretty much tasted it. Obviously, we're going to try the other two cheeses.
Yeah.
What would you say so far is winning for you? My favourite bit. What's yours?
My favourite bit at the moment, I love this.
Snap. Amazing. It's all great, but sausages with herb de Provence on them.
Yeah,
Oh,
definitely.
incredible. Really nice.
I've never had, I don't really like sausage on that much, but that one I really like. The honey and the apple, pistachio and goat cheese is divine. The little figs, it's just all these flavours. The flavours here all go into mean with each other and they just balance off each other. I've never had these flavours like with this mixture. And they've really been thoughtful with this. Really colourful.
You know, it's not, and this is enough for 3, 4 people, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Plenty of food. And the prices, I mean,
Yeah, so value for money.
value,
Incredible.
that's the word. Value for money, definitely value for money, this.
Oh,
So this, look at this. It's so cute. So you've got an olive, and he's put in like a little pocket. That all takes so much time just to do these little things to make it presentable, you know? With the hard work they do here, you know, they're up early in the morning, watering the vines, you know, preparing all the charcuterie, using their imagination for new things that is going to be happening here, which all sounds amazing.
and I tell you one of the things I like, and this is sort of personal preference, okay? Some of my favourite foods are tomatoes, and I love baby plum tomatoes, and that is exactly what that is. It's my favourite.
Come to France and have pain au chocolat, cookies for breakfast, pain de raisin, delicious.
She's dreaming.
Orange juice.
She's dreaming.
Then lunchtime, charcuterie, glass of wine, beautiful background, birds singing. What more do you want? Do you like that cheese as well? That one's like the creamier one, and that is the stronger one. And then you've got like the creamy.
The sort of middleman between the two.
Do you like the?
Yeah, it was lovely.
Did you eat a date?
I have, they're nice. Really
I've
good.
not tried them, yeah. I've not had a date, I don't think, in France.
Oh, what to eat? Oh, okay. Well, that's so.
Brilliant.
Oh,
Do you know the
fantastic.
cheese? I can't remember what it was called.
Tête de moi.
Tête de Moine.
Tête de Moine.
It's lovely.
Okay. Remember that. It's lovely. I've not had that
Yeah,
cheese.
It's a Swiss cheese.
Oh, okay.
Made in the canton Bern.
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 It's a great combination. Like you've got the cream, a bit stronger, and that's even a tiny bit stronger, isn't it? I would say than
Yeah,
this
it's almost
one.
like a hard, more as a complete sort of. It's not a soft
Yeah.
cheese, so right? So you scrape the sort of a harder cheese
Yeah.
to form the flour. Also remind the folks it's not a coronation. It's
Yeah.
it's a edible cheese.
Edible cheese. Yeah. Yeah.
It's fantastic.
I've seen it here. You've got fresh eggs in there.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is a sort of a display, but in there we provide our wine as well as part of the welcoming package to visit.
Brilliantly. And what's included? So it'd be wine, and then your season end, is it the end of August or go on to September?
Our season actually started beginning of April,
Yep.
and we will run at least till the middle of November for our seasons.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
So
we have
yours is
still quite
longer.
a couple of big events coming in September as well.
Oh, brilliant.
About the trail run
Yeah.
that's on the 19th of September as well. So there are our soirees runs in July and August till the end of August. And then from there we have other events kick in as well through September. And for the last 2 years we had sort of a autumn soiree as well. It's either end of October or beginning of November. We do that. We have candles and everything, so it's a bit dark.
I'm
bit
coming.
earlier, darker. So yeah, so it's really.
You better come over.
Book back in.
Really.
We want to come over.
October.
October.
You'll be able to create it. Absolutely.
So yeah, so this place will run until sort of autumn time. So there's more things going on here for you to be able to see and do, and you know, sit in the garden and have some food and be surrounded by candles.
And the other thing is, you
So
might
lovely.
actually find yourself, you're booking a gîte over here to come into a couple of bottles like this.
Yep.
And for those of you who don't like this, you must send it to me immediately,
Yes.
because we'll drink it.
It was gorgeous.
What we also offer as part of the experiences is a picnic.
Ooh.
I'll tell you that. So yes,
No.
people can book online a picnic.
I love a picnic.
And we will arrange that, setting it up, or you get a picnic basket with a blanket, and you order your wine with that. So you can sit anywhere on the property where you would like, down at the river or down here on the embankment.
Oh, where's the
It's
river?
really past the forest. There's pastures and there's a
Oh, is
small
there?
river running there, and that's where I get my elderflower. So yes, so there's beautiful spots next to the forest, or just here to have a beautiful picnic with your family or friends as well. So it's not just the wine tasting or the lunch or the food pairing, is other activities we are hosting on the property as well.
So today I just found out we've got picnics here, we've got wine tasting here, we've got wine tasting with children here, we've got gift packs for gîtes, we've got the charcuterie, and you can have desserts here, and you can have soft drinks. There's loads of stuff to come
And
here.
don't forget the important thing, the wine.
Beautiful wine. What do you put in the picnics then? Is it similar?
Similar with that, also wrapped with saucisson, but we give it the full, there's a saucisson.
Oh, yeah.
They can still cut on their own. Come with a bottle of water as well, and fresh fruit that's similar to that.
So that, yep.
But it's all packaged,
Yep.
so that you can unravel or unpack as you progress
As you
through the
want.
picnic. Yeah,
Yeah, as you want.
Yeah, as you want.
As the French say, as you want.
As you want.
Oh, it is beautiful. And a lovely dog.
And she's super special, of course, Roxy. So when we made our first red wine on the property, because we bought the property in 2022,
Yep.
we decided to put all the red wine in oak barrels. And out of that came a beautiful red wine blend, Cabernet Franc and Cabernet Sauvignon. And we've been friends with a South African painter, and she does fascinating work, and she has studied the old French technique to paint with wine.
Okay.
Wow.
So we did send her 2 bottles of our first oaked red wine to South Africa, and she has painted a portrait of Roxy just using red wine.
Just red wine.
Red wine. So that's in the house, and it's
But it's lovely. That's
so
really
that's super special
different.
for us, and yeah.
That's unusual.
So I have a question then. What shows made you choose South Africa? Made you choose the south of France over South Africa?
African wine, yeah.
So what was it that drew you to France?
coming halfway closer to home because I was working in California.
Oh,
So closer to the family in South Africa. So and then we found this property, and after 3 years that I've booked for the company, had to decide: are we staying here? Are we going back to South Africa? Are we going back to the US or back to the UK? At the end, we decided for our family that we will stay here.
It's amazing, you know.
Forest countryside, super special, and we've been welcomed by open arms by the region.
Oh,
by
yeah, everybody.
by everybody. So, and that's why we decided to stay here.
how long will it take to grow the vines?
Take about 3 years before you can really harvest.
Okay.
There
That's
might
a
be
big
small
job.
grapes in between along the way, but we need to harvest the first grapes will be in 3 years' time, and then probably roughly a year to make the wine, depending on what style of wine you want to make, before it can go to market. So it's a long-term investment.
Yeah.
Nearly half a century. I mean, I don't think people realise how long it actually takes if you're growing from like this from scratch, really.
So when we bought the property in 2022, some of the vines were 80 years old.
Jeepers.
Oh, is that what it was? 8 years? So that was
80 years old.
80?
80?
80, yeah, 80 years old. So some of the wine that is available here were made from those old vines that brings a beautiful characteristic to the wine.
And
Now you're bringing your new wine through, what you actually
Our
made.
new styles of wine,
Yeah.
our new blends that we like, and also new cultivars that's not grown in this area, is not known in this area, but
No.
bring something special to Château Lestevenie. Yeah.
brilliant.
It goes everywhere.
Well, all I can say is I really enjoyed that. And Michelle ate 3 times what I did, which is not unusual. And she's still going. But once again, I just want to say thank you very much. And it's been absolutely fantastic. And we'll show you what the property's about.
In the quiet hills of southwestern France, a boutique vineyard is being reborn. For the past 3 years, Petri and Jaco have been rewriting the story of Château Lestevenie. They dream to transform it into a vibrant destination where wine, character, and hospitality comes together. This place has so much potential. We're creating more than just a vineyard, but a destination where people can taste, stay, and truly experience the terroir and connect with the rich biodiversity.
It's about sharing the moment around wine, around people, around beauty.
Step into the spirit of Lestevenie and immerse yourself in its beautiful setting. Taste, connect, and glimpse all that's yet to come. Come before everyone else does. Discover Château Lestevenie, the soul of a future great wine. Discover, taste, dream.